Hey everyone, and welcome to today's Explainer. We are embarking on a genuinely exciting journey today. We're gonna bridge that cultural gap between you and your absolute favorite artists. Because let's be real, if you've ever found yourself humming along to a Korean song and just wishing you knew exactly what they were saying, you are definitely in the right place. We'll be using a super accessible method designed to help you learn Korean easily and systematically, right from your native language. And honestly, this isn't just about memorizing vocabulary, it's about truly understanding the culture and the people behind the music.
So let me ask you a quick question right off the bat. Do you want to learn Korean because of K-pop? If you're not in your head yes right now, you are absolutely not alone. There are so many fans worldwide completely inspired by global groups like BTS who actively share Korean culture that want to learn the language. It's just such a beautiful way to connect. So today, we're gonna start that wonderful journey together, building a solid foundation that will make your listening and your entire fan experience so much richer.
Okay, here is a quick look at our agenda for today. First, why learn through K-pop? Second, 5 essential greetings. Third, phrases K-pop fans use. Fourth, conversation practice. And finally, language and cultural connection. All right, diving into section 1, why learn through K-pop? You know, a perfect example of this whole phenomenon is BTS. BTS really isn't just about the music anymore. They are constantly communicating with fans all over the globe. Through their live streams, reality shows, and social media, they play a massive role in spreading Korean culture. This constant, genuine interaction makes people everywhere super eager to understand the Korean language on a much deeper level. It's like having a direct line to the culture. You aren't just learning a language, you're learning how to understand your favorite artists directly without having to wait around for a translator. Moving right along to section 2, 5 essential Korean greetings. Okay, up first is the absolute most important one, hello. This is your go-to fundamental greeting used when you first meet someone or when you're greeting someone respectfully. Let's sound this out nice and slow together, syllable by syllable. 안녕하세요. Let's try it one more time, all together now. 안녕하세요. Boom, great job. You literally just spoke your first Korean word of the day. Next up is how we show polite gratitude. This means thank you. It is the safest, most polite, and common way to express your thanks in Korean. Take your time and just repeat after me, breaking it down. 감사합니다. All right, let's do it again, but a bit more smoothly this time. 감사합니다. Excellent. Seriously, this is a word you will use absolutely everywhere if you ever visit Korea. Now, what about when you meet someone completely new? Say, a fellow K-pop fan at a concert. You're gonna wanna use this really warm expression. It means nice to meet you. Let's break it down. 반갑습니다. Now let's try practicing it with a big smile because you're genuinely happy to meet them. 반갑습니다. Spot on. All right, I am almost positive many of you have heard this next one before. This beautiful expression means I love you. Over in Korea, it's used for family, super precious people in your life, or obviously to express your deep appreciation for your favorite K-pop group. Give it a try with me. 사랑합니다. One more time. Put a little feeling into it. 사랑합니다. And this next one is a total game changer for praising an amazing performance. When something is just excellent, great, or flat out awesome, you drop this phrase. Let's say you just watched an unbelievable dance break or a stunning vocal run. You would say, 최고입니다. Let's practice that. 최고입니다. It literally translates to, it is the best. Rolling into section 3, phrases K-pop fans use. Let's check out some of these absolute fan favorites. When you want to tell someone, I support you, you use 응원합니다. To say you're cool or you look awesome, you go with 멋있어요. When your favorite artist finally wraps up a massively long tour, you tell them good job with 잘했어요. And the absolute classic phrase for cheering someone on, 화이팅. For award wins, congratulations is 축하합니다. The coolest thing here is that these expressions aren't strictly for concerts. Korean people use these encouraging and energetic words in daily life all the time. So learning these connects you to both the fandom and everyday culture. All right, section 4. Let's do some real-life conversation practice. Let's actually put this into action by reading a quick back-and-forth dialogue. Picture this. You are person A, and I am person B. Notice how naturally the greetings we just learned flow together in a real-world conversation. You walk up to someone and say, 안녕하세요. I reply right back, 안녕하세요. You say, nice to meet you. 반갑습니다. I tell you, nice to meet you too. 저도 반갑습니다. You say, thank you for my time.
감사합니다. And I say, you're welcome. 천만에요. See how ridiculously easy that is? You just had a full, polite, introductory conversation in Korean.
And finally, Section 5, Language and Cultural Connection. I want you to look at this quote from our source material. It says, K-pop is not just music. It is an opportunity to learn Korean language, culture, and warm hearts. That really hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? When you learn Korean, you aren't just memorizing dry grammar rules. You're actually deeply connecting with Korean food, fashion, etiquette, manners, and most importantly, the genuine warmth and affection of the people. The language perfectly reflects the deep respect and care embedded right into the culture.
Before we wrap things up today, let's do a super quick review of the 5 essential steps from today's lesson. This is your foundation right here. Step 1, hello is 안녕하세요. Step 2, thank you is 감사합니다. Step 3, nice to meet you is 반갑습니다. Step 4, I love you is 사랑합니다. Step 5, awesome is 최고입니다. I highly encourage you to read these multiple times, practicing them out loud until they just roll right off your tongue confidently without you even having to think about it.
And honestly, the best part is that this is just the beginning. In our next explainer, we are going to expand our vocabulary significantly. We'll be exploring the top 30 Korean expressions used by K-pop fans worldwide. We're talking about the exact phrases you'll need to read live cat comments, completely understand fan posts, and cheer on your favorite idols like a total native speaker.
So, the big question is, are you ready to take your Korean to the next level? Keep practicing those warm greetings out loud. And make sure to join us for future explainers so we can keep building your skills together. But before we go, I want you to ask yourself, the next time your favorite artist goes live, which of these 5 phrases are you going to recognize first? I literally can't wait to see you for our next lesson. Keep up the amazing work and fighting!